You know, these odd creatures were the wildlife of their time, prehistoric eons ago. Unfortunately, we weren't able to preserve them. But I'm sure if the National Wildlife Federation had been in existence then, they would have done their best to save them, for that's their purpose, conservation.
We are encouraging families to come out with their kids and explore the outdoors and go on a scavenger hike and nature hunt, stopping at what we call stop and study stations along the route. They'll learn more about birds and trees and animals in an interactive fashion.
It almost looks like he's smiling.
Yep.
Came out to find adventure and find animals.
A dog!
It's a duck. All right, are you sure?
Here, want you to feel how thick the jaw is there.
Events like Hike and Seek, sponsored by the National Wildlife Federation, are really important in getting kids outside as part of our Be Out There movement, where we're really trying to serve up the perfect opportunity for families to be outside with their kids in nature.
We have prizes for you guys from the National Wildlife Federation.
Leave the bucket here, leave it here.
I chose the National Wildlife Federation because of my love for nature and conserving nature.
Be out there!
A lot of kids haven't never been in the garden to plant stuff like this.
I really like to get the kids outside and get them more active and learning about nature and stuff.
It's just something that I really value and I want to give to my kids. So I really appreciate the National Wildlife Federation providing an opportunity like this.
So let's support this worthwhile program.
Thank you.